Are you trying to decide between Streamlabs and Prism? You are not alone. Many creators wonder which tool is better for their streaming needs. In this video, we'll compare Streamlabs and Prism. Both are popular tools for live streaming and creating content. They help you connect with your audience and enhance your streams. Let's start with Streamlabs. This tool is built on top of OBS, which is great for streaming. It offers a lot of features like alerts, overlays, and chat integration. Streamlabs is user friendly, making it easy for beginners. It also has built-in donation support, which is a big plus for many streamers. Now, let's look at Prism. Prism is also a streaming tool but focuses more on simplicity and performance. It allows you to stream to multiple platforms at once. Prism is lightweight, which means it doesn't use up too much of your computer's power. This can be great for those with less powerful computers. So, what are the main differences? Streamlabs has more features and customization options. It's great if you want to create a unique look for your stream. On the other hand, Prism is easier to use and better for those who want a straightforward experience. When it comes to features, Streamlabs shines with its extensive library of overlays and widgets. Prism keeps it simple but offers essential tools for streaming. Both tools have free versions, but Streamlabs also has a premium option with more features. In the end, if you want a feature rich experience and don't mind a learning curve, go for Streamlabs. If you prefer simplicity and efficiency, Prism is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.